Hey everybody, Drew here with this awesome first generation Toyota Highlander. Just wanted to give you guys a little quick public service announcement. So it's super obvious on Toyotas that right here there's a screw, which on this trim, that little piece pops off. You can actually see the hole right there, right? And there's that screw. And in a lot of Toyotas inside right here, there is a screw, but on this one there's not. There's a hidden screw. You stick a screwdriver in to pop one of these tabs off. Not a screwdriver, but a plastic pry tool, and then the screw is in that hole right there. And the reason I'm in the door, and this is part of the public service announcement, it is a Highlander thing for the window to fall off the track. And it was a second generation Highlander. I had to do this for a colleague in a previous life right in the parking lot where we worked together. This bolt, for whatever reason, it's just a little 6mm bolt, 10mm head. There's another one on the other side that holds the piece of glass in the track. That little bolt falls off and it just goes down in here. Why Toyota didn't put more torque on it, I have no clue, but it falls off. Usually, again, you'll easily find it down here, put it back in, snug it down, and before you put your door back together, just plug in your window switch and make sure it works. But that, 99.9% of the time is the reason the windows fall off the tracks in these cars. Toyota has great, regulator and track designs, and it's almost never, something else. This very easily pops out. There's just that one clip there, and then that side really easily pops out of this if you want to use it. I just wanted to show you the only other possibility. Well, I shouldn't say only other, but a big possibility for an issue. If you look inside there, you could see that the window is outside of the track, and that's because of all the screwing around with it when it was initially falling off in this particular case. So very easy. Again, it's usually that back bolt. Take that off, make sure when looking down in the air that it's back inside that track instead of the outside of it, and you should be fine. So anyways, I'm Drew. Just a quick little tip for you. I hope it was helpful. If it is, please give it a thumbs up. That lets the internet know it's good content, and it's a blessing to our channel. Also, if you want to see more content like this, just make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And hey guys, listen, if I could fix it, you could fix it. Hang in there. God bless. See you on the next video. Bye.